Let's go drift it.
After taking a few runs, I noticed that the car wasn't behaving quite right, so I took it in, took some of the camber out, and also set the alignment. One of the wheels was definitely off.
I took all my camber out, it worked better. And I also, my alignment was way off.
When you actually have some turn in, it really helps.
Yeah. Adjust the camber, but with the new camber adjustment it works pretty good. Just having a few little hiccups on that being a little rusty, but besides that we're doing good. It's we do some camber runs. Too much rear what?
You have too much rear grip.
I know.
Fix it.
What? Put more air in the tires?
What?
Put more air in the tires?
More air or a different size or change your fucking dampening?
I can't change the dampening.
Uh-oh.
Come on!
What we got?
I don't know. I don't have a spare though in this.
Oh, that.
Does someone have a tire machine here? Because I can switch.
They're staggered.
I think there is one in there. Is there a tire machine?
Yeah.
There? A tire machine? Okay.
Not there.
Oh.
Oof.
Did I take your spot? Oh no, you're fine. Oh shit. What's it catching on? I must be catching right here. I go ahead and like beat that in.
And then the other side too, right there. I don't think it'd be catching that far out though.
No, I think it caught here.
Yeah.
You can see
Damn,
like
those some beefy chunks.
yeah.
I think I might have caught some on footage.
All right. He's got a tire machine.
luckily I was able to borrow a spare tire or a spare wheel because they did not have a tire machine. So thank you, Connie, for that. And after that, I did some more runs.
I got it again.
Next time, think a little less rear tire.
Yeah.
What are these, 245?
235.
Yeah, you might want to try like a 215.
Yeah.
Oh no, not again.
Again, I had some issues with my ball joints, so this time I was prepared. I had a welder, but I had no mask, so I did some blind tack welds and the...
To be honest with you, I've never seen somebody so prepared.
Yeah, honestly. So last time this happened, and I wasn't prepared,
Yeah.
and luckily there's a guy that had a welder here. But I can't believe I forgot my mask. Well, I would have never thought to bring a welder, so. Well, after that time, I knew I needed it.
All right, cover your eyes, boys and girls.
Yeah, watch out.
The ball joint stayed in its place for the rest of the round, so that was good.
Welding. Keep welding.
Yeah, man.
Oh, keep.
Watch out.
You win some, you lose some.
Oh,